In this video we are going to learn a geometrical construction of a triangle similar to the given triangle as a scale of factor. See the problem: construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeters and altitude is 4 centimeters. Altitude means height of the triangle 4 centimeters. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of isosceles triangle. So first we have to draw an isosceles triangle, then we have to draw a similar triangle which is similar to the given triangle whose sides are 1.5 times of the corresponding isosceles triangle. So first we have to draw an isosceles triangle whose base is given 8 centimeters. So first draw a base with 8 centimeters. So first draw a base AB of length 8 centimeters. See how to draw an altitude. How to draw altitude means, see, first draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB. So how to draw perpendicular bisector of line segment AB? By taking more than half of the distance. By taking more than half of the distance with the center A, draw an arc and same both upper side and lower side, and with the center B draw the same with the taking the same length, draw two arcs with the center A and with the center B like this. So join the point of intersection of these two arcs. Join point of intersection of these two arcs, which is a perpendicular bisector of, it is a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. We can also extend this, extend the, so like this, extend. Now see, we have to look at the altitude for this triangle by taking the length of the arc 4 centimeters. This is the center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. So which cuts here and locate this point by C. Now join A and C. Join A and C. Next join B and C. Next join B and C. So this is an altitude of length 4 centimeters. Now it is an isosceles triangle with the base 8 centimeters. So no need of this. Now we have to draw a similar triangle to this triangle whose sides are 1.5 times. 1.5 times means 1.5 times is equal to 3 by 2. This is a mixed fraction converting into improper fraction. This is a 3 by 2 times 3 by 2 value 1.5. 3 by 2 value 1.5, which is more than 1. So our required triangle is larger than the given triangle, is bigger than the given triangle. We already discussed in the previous videos. See, this value is more than 1. So our required triangle is enlarged figure, means more than the given triangle ABC. Now see how to draw a similar triangle. So take a ray from A and denote the ray by AX. Denote the ray AX, which makes an acute angle with AB. No need to measure the angle, but take acute angle means less than 90 degrees. So here the angle between the AB and AX is an acute angle. Now next we have to locate 3 points on the ray AX. See how to locate 3 points on the ray AX. Why I am taking 3 points? We already discussed in the previous videos. Take the biggest number in the given ratio 3, 2. The biggest number is 3. So we have to locate the 3 numbers by taking the compass. Draw 3 arcs. First starting from with the center A. Here also no need to measure the length of the arc. Just with the center A, draw a first arc, and with the same length here taking the arc as the center, again draw one more arc. Next again by taking the center, the previous arc as a center, draw one more arc. Now locate these points by A1, A2, A3. Look at these points A1, A2, A3. See the distance A to A1 equal to A1 to A2 equal to A2 to A3. All these are at an equal distance. So first Now next we have to join. Next we have to join A2 with B. Why A2? This is also I explained in the previous videos. This is numerator and next it is a denominator. Numerator I denote with N, denominator with D. So in the order of the alphabets, first letter D, next after N. So always take the denominator number means 2, here take A2 and always join with B. So this is a simple trick. It is applicable for all problems. So join A2 and B. So our required triangle is bigger than the given triangle. So we have to extend the lines AB, the sides AB. We have to extend the sides AB. So I am extending the side AB as well as the side AC also. So extend the side AB and AC. So like this, see, we have to draw a line parallel to A to B from A3. So how to draw parallel lines? See again, here take the A2 as the center, draw an arc. A2 as a center, draw an arc. Next, same with the A3 as a center, draw arc. With the A3 center, draw an arc with the same measurement. No need to change the measurement. Next, take length of the arc which is drawn from A2. Take length of the arc which is drawn from A2, and by taking this length of the arc, here take the center at the arc which is drawn from A3 and cut this arc. Cut this arc. So both are intersect at a point. Here this is the point. Now from A3, from the point A3 and from the point of intersection of the arcs, draw a line which is parallel to A3B. Which is parallel to A3B. So like this. And it intersects the extended line at B dash. Locate the point by B dash. Next, again we have to draw a line from B dash which is parallel to BC. Which is parallel to BC. So by taking the same process, draw an arc with the center B. Draw an arc with the center B. And by taking the same length of the arc, draw an arc with the center B dash. With the center B dash. Next, take the length of the arc. Take length of the arc. Now this is the length of the arc. By taking the length of the arc, cuts the previous arc which is drawn from B dash. Cut the arc which is drawn from B dash. So locate the point of intersection of two arcs. Now draw a line through B dash and through point of intersection of the arcs which is parallel to BC. Which is parallel to BC. So draw a line like this which is parallel to BC. Intersect the extended line of AC at C dash. At C dash. Now A, B dash, C dash is our required triangle. The triangle A, B dash, C dash is our required triangle which is similar to the given triangle whose sides are in the one and a half times of the given triangle. Now this is a construction of a similar triangle.